seat. How are you doing today? Good. Can you please confirm your first and last name? Awesome. Thank you very much. It looks like we have you on today in a procedure slot to have your IUD removed. That is correct? Okay. And how long have you had this IUD for? About 3 years. Okay. Are you on any current medications at this time? Okay. And when was the first day of your last menstrual period? Okay. And then any changes to your medical history at all or surgeries? Do you smoke or drink? Okay. Any new family history of breast, ovarian, or uterine cancer? Okay. And then, is your relationship status still as married? Okay. And what would the reasoning be for your IUD removal today? Planning to try and get pregnant? Well, congratulations. That is super, super exciting. All right. So what's going to happen is I am actually just going to have a few consent forms for you to sign today, right after I finish taking your vital signs. But other than the IUD removal, you're not having any other concerns, right? You're good otherwise? Good. Awesome. That is what we want to hear. So let me just put some hand sanitizer on here. And then we will start with some blood pressure. I am just going to move you just a little bit there. Let me grab this. All right. And if you wouldn't mind just flattening your feet. And this is going to go right through for you on your arm. Perfect. And then I am just going to take a quick listen here. You're doing awesome. Blood pressure is normal. Let me take this off of you here. Just kind of swoop it out of your arm. There you go. Awesome. Have you ever had an IUD removal before? This is your first one? I have to tell you, much, much easier than the insertion. Oh yeah. In most uncomplicated cases, it goes by so fast. Like, literally just pull at the string. No, I know, yeah, it's literally that easy. All right, so let's write your blood pressure here. It was normal, by the way, in case you were wondering. Everything checks out with that. All right. So that's a super exciting time trying to have a baby. That's awesome. That is that's really amazing. Oh goodness, where'd it go? All right. I'm a mess today. It's no big deal. Don't mind me. Okay. All right, so this is just gonna go underneath your tongue there. Just gonna wait for that to load a little bit. Just gonna make sure there's no fever, of course. Perfect. No fever. We're all in the clear there. So that is awesome. Alright, So if you wouldn't mind just signing your name here and here, saying that you understand that we are removing your IUD today and that you are no longer protected from pregnancy. Thank you very much. Those are all completed then. So what I'm going to have you do is I actually left you a drape here on your medical table. You'll just be getting undressed waist down, and then Lena the PA will come in to remove your IUD. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. We're really just going to be gripping onto those strings. You'll have a speculum in, but no other instruments are used in most cases. We've seen you throughout the years, so we know that your IUD strings are visible, so hopefully it'll be a super quick in and out for you and nothing that you have to worry about, okay? Yes, absolutely. So with that being said, do you have any questions at all before I step out and give you some privacy? You're good to go? All right, awesome. So I will let Lena the PA know that you are ready to get that IUD removed, and she will be in shortly. Not a problem at all. We'll see you later. Hello. It is super nice to see you. It looks like today you are wanting your IUD removed because you are planning to try and conceive in the near future. Beautiful news. That is awesome. It looks like all your consent forms are signed. Do you have any questions before you remove your IUD? Everything's pretty straightforward. All right. Well, then let's get this going for you, and you'll be out of here shortly. So, first things first, I am just going to put on some gloves here. It looks like from your previous notes, we've never had an issue visualizing your strings, so hopefully this will be a very uncomplicated removal for you. Absolutely. I'm just going to adjust this here. And are your legs comfortable like that? Does it need any adjusting? You're okay. Awesome. All right, so I am just going to grab this light. We're going to shine it right over there. And then you're not having any other concerns today. You don't need any other testing today. Everything's good? Okay, good. So I am just going to put a little bit of lubricant on this speculum here. This part here is just getting the speculum inserted. So you're going to feel a lot of pressure internally, okay? And you let me know if anything hurts or is pinching. And I see those strings perfectly, so that is awesome. Very good. Just making a few adjustments here with the speculum to make sure this insert goes really well for you. Okay, oh, just a little bit of a cleaning solution while we remove it. So you'll feel a cotton swab and maybe some cold. Just to kind of keep everything sanitary. All right. Awesome. Everything is looking good. Would you like Spermy the stress ball or Sally the speculum? So this instrument here I'm going to use to grip your strings. One here, you're gonna hear that click. And then what I'm gonna ask you to do is I want you to take the biggest breath in and then push, 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 push out. IUD is out. Yep. This is a strange request, but I do want you to take a look at your IUD just so you can see that it is completely intact. Both arms are there, the body is there, the strings are there, so nothing was left inside. You do see that? Okay, good. I'm just going to take these gloves off. You are all set to go there. Oh, I did want to bring you some pills in case you need anything to help with pelvic cramps that you may have later. You just take one tablet once a day. or 1 tablet twice a day, I'm sorry, for about a week as needed. So I'll leave that for you. I also have a pamphlet for you on like post-op care and then just everything about the IUD removal that we did today. So I'll leave that for you here as well. And then I am also going to leave you with just a pad because you may get some irregular bleeding over the next few days, and that is completely normal, just so you know. So this pad is also going to be left on the counter here for you. Now I heard, of course, you were trying to get pregnant after, so give me 1 second here. So we have a lot of free samples in our clinic for prenatals, so I just wanted to stock you up on some just to get started. You can start them today, okay? So these prenatals are also for you. I'll leave them on the counter here with your pad. But do you have absolutely any questions before I step out today? It went a lot better than you expected. Awesome. That's great news. All right. Well, you did fantastic. The procedure went really well. Of course, that IUD is now out. I always tell people that, you know, technically, theoretically, you can get pregnant right away. Some people like to wait till they have a normal menstrual cycle before starting. So with that being said, I will give you some privacy, and then the girls will see you up front just to make sure you have everything that you need, and that if anything, if you're overdue for your pap smear, we recommend that you get that before you get pregnant, okay? You'll want to do the same thing as far as your primary care. Make sure you're all up to date on your overall health and everything checks out. Same thing for your partner as well. Yes, absolutely. Well, it was so nice seeing you today. Hopefully I'll be seeing you soon for any annuals or confirmation pregnancy appointments. For sure, absolutely. You enjoy the rest of your day today.